So when I look at something that's in this notation, f minus g of x, what that's exactly stating is my f function minus my g function of my function x. So that's going to be f of x minus g of x. Now this one gets a little bit more difficult because here's where a lot of students are going to make their common mistakes. I said in the addition one, whenever you evaluate for something, put them in parentheses. Even if you don't really need them, put them in the parentheses. It does two things. One, it reminds you of you evaluated a value in for those parentheses. And two, it helps you keep care of any sign, any negative subtraction signs. So let's take f of x. f of x equals 2x minus. Don't just put your minus 4x plus 5. Because what does that tell you? That just tells you you have minus a negative 4x. When you put it in parentheses, right, now this tells you you have to minus 4x and you have to minus 5, right? Make sure you guys put in those parentheses. You should have. You don't really need the one for 2x though, right, because there's no signs. But yes, following what I said, make sure you just put in parentheses. Now I know, oh, I got 2x because I evaluated that for fx, and I got negative 4x because I evaluated that in for g of x. So now I don't really need these parentheses. They're not preventing any sign. And then here, I needed to use distributive property. Now, combine like terms. So you could say f minus g. Ooh, nice catch. I even did my distributive property wrong. Very good. Right? You apply distributive property. Negative 1 times 5 is a negative 5. So 6x minus 5. Good job. So I'm telling you, I'll make the mistake. You guys are going to make the mistake. It's just very, very common mistake. So be very careful with that.